You know, a common phrase that people give motivationally, hey, just be
Mm.
yourself. Just be yourself and it'll be fine. I have it written down in all caps. I can't let you go without that. Is that bad advice?
um, Tell me what that advice means first, and I'll tell you if it's bad.
Yeah. Don't try to change your actions based on what you think others want from you.
That's terrible advice. I think it's obviously terrible advice. I don't even understand the question.
That's why I'm asking you, right? Here's the thing. Most people don't say, just be yourself. And here's what I mean by that. They say, just be yourself. Now, yes, it's up to interpretation, but essentially being that your book is on self, right? What is your interpretation of that?
Um, I don't, this is what I was asking. Like, to me, that's all you can be is yourself in any given moment. I don't even know what the other options are. So, like, I think, like, as you described it, I think that's terrible advice. And I get that description, but really don't respond to other people.
Mm,
What? Don't respond to their needs. Don't respond to their emotions. Don't try to connect. Like, what are we talking about? Like, that's insanity.
mm,
And I think people just don't explore those kind of, um, I don't know, suggestions or advice. They just don't think about it very hard. And when you think about it just a little bit, like it doesn't take long to see like either it doesn't make sense or it's probably really bad.
right.